In today's video, you will learn how to delete a Shopify store. If you are no longer planning to use your Shopify store, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and carefully, so you understand exactly what happens before making any changes to your account. When managing your Shopify store, most account settings related to billing, subscriptions, and store ownership are handled directly inside the Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you can control whether the store remains active, becomes inactive, or gets transferred to another owner. One important thing to understand before continuing is that deleting Shopify store affects the entire account. This includes your products, customer information, settings, and other stored data connected to the account. Because of that, it is important to make sure you are fully ready before removing the store or ending the subscription. To begin, access your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are inside the admin area, navigate to the Settings section. This area contains the main account controls for your Shopify store, including plans, billing, and ownership management. Inside the Settings area, locate the section related to your subscription plan. This is where Shopify allows you to manage your active membership. Depending on the type of account you have, you may see options related to deactivating a trial, canceling a subscription, or ending your current Shopify plan. When you choose to deactivate or cancel the subscription, Shopify will begin the process of making the store inactive. Once the subscription period ends, the store will no longer remain active under that account. This is the main method Shopify uses for deleting or disabling a store. Before confirming the cancellation, take a moment to review any important information or files you may still need from the account. Since the process affects your store data, it is helpful to make sure you no longer need access to the content connected to the account. So if your goal is to permanently stop using the store, deleting your account or canceling the subscription through the plans section is the option to use. If you want someone else to continue managing the store, transferring ownership is the better choice. And that is the complete process for deleting a Shopify store account. Thank you for watching.